Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is time to share with you guys new coupons to print on coupons.com. I always print my coupons on Swagbucks because I get points for every coupon that I print. I did take a look at the coupons and there are some awesome coupons to print. One thing I'm going to tell you guys is these Magnum coupons. You might want to print these off. I've seen a lot of deals lately and I have a feeling there's probably going to be an Ibotta deal for that. So I'm going to say print those off. Just give me a second, Benjamin. But otherwise, they have some other Magnum ones. I'm just going to print those off just in case there's like an Ibotta deal. I've seen commercials for them lately, so I have a feeling there might be some good deals. I did notice they did add some other coupons, like this Nutra Ultra. This is a Petco coupon for $10 off. If you guys are interested in that, AmaPay, Schick, they have a $3 off coupon. It's not the best one that we have, but it's still $3, and I'm going to print that off. 50 cents off a Snuggle. Here we have $1 off of Arm & Hammer, so you guys can use that. Hold on, honey. You guys can use that $1 off coupon at Walgreens right now and get them for 99 cents. Palmer's, Nature's Bounty. Here we got a Dial, $1 off of 2. Colgate Essentials, $2. I print that coupon off. Plus, I think there's a deal on Ibotta if you guys are interested with that deal. Cheez-It Snapped. We got a 75-cent deal. I'm going to print that off because I have a feeling there's going to be an Ibotta deal coming up for that. Arm & Hammer, $1. All $1. Aleve, $2. Extreme. RX Bar. Here we got a Right Guard, $3 off of 2. I never get Right Guard, and I know there is a buy one get one free coupon, so that pretty much is the same exact thing. Arm & Hammer, $1. We got Mrs. Meyer. Huggies, 50-cent coupons. L'Oreal, Dial or Tone. I'm going to print that off. Maybelline New York Lip is $1 off, or $2 off coupon. Here's another Arm & Hammer. Pull-ups, $1. Purina, another Schick coupon. But otherwise, I think it's a great week to print coupons. And then those are the ones that are still available from last week. Just wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.